Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Makeup in Time with Julia. This video we have got this from Makeup Revolution. Just a quick one. We have this palette here which is from is a collab. Rachel, Revolution times Rachel. She released two. The other one is slightly bigger than this one, but I just pick one of. The reason why we are here is mainly mia fratello, Carmi, mia fratello. So this is a collab again. Revolution times Carmi. His second palette from Makeup Revolution. He's down south now celebrating. So this is the palette. He said, Italy, I'm coming. So yeah, this is it. I'll just put it there. See that? See all that? Is it? It's beautiful. That is that. Then we also have some, I told you on my previous video, we will go and get more of these. Actually, I absolutely love this pro. Yeah, I got this from Superdrug. So on their website, I just choose two random any color. Okay. So this one is a quick one. This one is precaution, conspicuous. So now we have four. Someone who is not a lippy girl. Okay. The collection is building up. Put it there. And the next one, if you remember, I've been using this lately and I absolutely love it. I went to pick another one of these. It smells so good. Yeah. So we have this eyeliner here. It's just, yeah, again, pro. This one is pro from Revolution Pro Supreme. Then the next one, look at this big eyeshadow palette. How gorgeous this is. You have 45 shades. We're gonna get lost in this. So it doesn't end there. Then we also have, I would say, the neutral, because that one is all colorful. They released 4 of these. This is the other one. 4 in total they released at a time. Also have 45 shades. So I just said this neutral and the colorful one, it will make sense when you're using both to create different look instead of having the whole 4. So each of them is just £12 on their website. So check this out. Right. So I just want to show you all them goodies while we are here. First come, first serve. That goodies. Now remember us here in England. Pass by Napoli. Bring some mozzarella di buffalo. The first one is Cause of You, which is this is Cause of You. Bite Me. Reading it upside down. Go ahead, pause. Okay. Money Maker. Then this one is Under My Spell. And this shade here, Make Magic. And this one here is You Got This. Then this other shade here, Flames. And this one, Confident. This one is Confidence. And this one is Desire. This shade here called Self-Made. This one is a Bless. This very shade here is beautiful though. It's called Do You. I'm doing me. Are you doing you, Carmi? Then this one is a Dark Side. Right. Then the next one is Overcome. Overcome. Then the next one this one is Overcome. Right. And this very one here is called Integrity. I like that. I like that. Carmi is very clever. Then the next one to that one, to Integrity, is Love Yourself. Next one to that one is Free Hugs. Then next one, Honesty. Next one, Addicted. Then the very last one, which is this very one here, Camo. Where does it get that from? Right. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm just gonna prime my eyes with Crease canvas. So we're just gonna keep it within the house. Everything I have used so far is just all Makeup Revolution, apart from my blush. Yeah, because I haven't got makeup. I think I have one upstairs. Come on now, guys. In with Overcome, which is this shade here. If that makes sense. Overcome. Like what we usually do. I just sit forward. I have mirror here as well. So I'm just gonna apply this here. Like what we do all the time. You just press it in. Then blend. It's pigmented. Okay. I'm gonna go in with this shade here, which is a Flames. This very shade here, Flames. I'm just gonna apply this up here. Going with this girl here, Do You. That is the darkest shade on this palette. Yeah. Outer corner of my eyes. Yeah. That's why I choose this precise blending brush. I'm just gonna go back in now with Flame. Blend them together. Back in with Do You. Just apply a bit more here, my inner corner. I'm going to cut my crease off camera, then I'll be back. Okay guys, now I've cut my crease off camera. Here we are, and working with Do You. Just gonna apply Do You here and here, which is inner corner and outer corner of my eyes. At some point I will use a precise little brush to darken this area so the core crease can be showing at one point. Well, at some point. I think this is too big for this area. Yeah, I'll use this very one here. It's Morphe E18. Okay, we are good to go. Right. apply this up here and there. Then I'll use this very one to blend this area and this area together. It's like a angle brush. So I'm gonna use a do you. Yeah. I'm just gonna tidy up here. So I'm gonna go in now, you know, excuse me, up here with overcome. Oh, this tiny little brush is so perfect. I'm gonna go in with do you on my bottom lash. So just connect them together. Then I'll go in with this one, this brush here. So between these two shades, overcome and flame, I might just mix both together. Just place them down here. Inner corner now. What should I use for my inner corner? I'm leaning toward this green. I have nothing to do with the look, but I'm just gonna use it. You know, I like being extra, I guess. Hello. Holy shit. Speechless. Check me out. You guys are nasty, man. Like nasty with smile, with joy. If I knew this shade is gonna be like this, that is the one I would apply up here. All right, we are back. Setting spray, which we're gonna use this new one. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Red. A girl that doesn't do lippy at all, or red. And the other one. Oh, the pigment is wow. The previous two I had, I really like this lipstick, to be honest. Lipstick or liquid lipstick, whatever you call it, guys. So these are the 4 so far. So I'll be using these 2, like, be mixing these 2 together. Like, I truly fell in love with them, and I went to pick up these 2 now. Wish me. Okay, let's try it on. Are you kidding me? Let's turn it down with this. Can you see her? Which way? Whether this way or this other way, I don't know. So here is Faith. And here is Faith is H17, in case if you want to go and get Faith. So like the rest, for example, finish using it, you put it back here. It's good to go for next time. If you have excess glue on it, just, you know, kindly remove the excess glue. Can be used between 25 to 30 times. Just like palette, to be honest with you, I really like how they put everything together. You know, you can find everything here. If you are going for neutral look, you know, there are shade here which you can actually use, such as this one here, this very one, this one, and you just combine it with the shimmers and all. If you're going green, or you know, dark green, you can use this one and this one and this very one here, and just like smoke it out with this. So the way they arrange the palette and the pigment, the palette is really good. It's a good palette and it's very pigmented, like you guys, you know, watch me all through. This shade here and this shade here, when you are taking it, is a bit hard. When you are taking this shade and this very shade here, when you are taking them, is a bit hard. How can I hide this mirror? Like exaggerate color that you are afraid to use. You can use this palette every day. For me personally, I can see myself using this palette every day sensibly, and I can also make like wow look, just like this one, for example, out of this palette, which make it very, very like unique. It's a very unique palette. Drug and get yours, or you can also go to their website and it's free delivery. I think you will order like £50 or more, you will have free delivery. That's all I can say. Congratulazioni, fratello mio. Okay, I told you, you can get Faith from our website. She's available there, and yeah, she's a party crasher. She will crash a party. You want extra length, you want extra volume, you want to be extra like me today, go and get Faith, because she's not here to play. All right, guys. Yeah, that's it for today. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you have, I just want to say a massive thank you for all your support, guys. And we have a lot of palette here we still gonna, you know, go through. So do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to like this video and share this video and subscribe to our channel. And I shall see you on my very next video, guys. Thank you for staying. Thank you for listening to my rambling, and I will see you next. Bye bye, guys.